Hi, let me show you what dinosaur is going to fight today. This is called a Ceratosauros. It has two horns, one short one and one big one. And this is my book of them. But even though it shows all of the dinosaurs. So let's just forget about the book and let's just have a Ceratosaurus battle. And when a Ceratosaurus jumped up.
Give it, Kuya.
Okay, folks. Thanks. Just thanks. I don't want it though. Even though, just forget about my little baby sister. When a Ceratosaurus actually fights, it actually shows off by first it actually goes around in circles and then charges. And you know what it uses its horns for?
No.
It uses it as a little digging tool or fighting tool.
Mm.
And then when it clashes into wood, its horn will stay there. And then that Ceratosaurus will be stuck there for ages until the volcano will come and then drop them into little pieces. It has this spikes to balance it because when it goes in a battle, it doesn't use its tail. Sometimes it uses its claws. It has 4 claws like the Indoraptor, but not like that. And when it just jumps up and then ponk its enemy in the chin, it'll just be there and then blood will just show. You see that little claw there? It uses that when it stabs in, its claw actually unfolds, but this one doesn't unfold and this one doesn't unfold.
So how will you know if a dinosaur is a carnivore?
Well, if you look at the teeth,
Let me
that
show.
tells me that it's a carnivore. That tells me. And battle! And the red corn wins. And the second battle begins. And this one whipped off. Replay. And there you have it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.